Hello, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I'm going to be trying the Let's Get Checked. This is the Lyme Disease Test. So the reason I'm actually doing this is I had a friend who recently got diagnosed with Lyme disease, and I'm sharing some of the symptoms that he had. So I just want to get this test. You get this on Amazon. I'm going to provide the link in the show notes below.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
So you want to check out the pricing. It's around $100, $120 for this test, and you can do it at home. Take your blood sample, ship it out, and then give you the results. So it just saves the time from going to a doctor and then having them do a bunch of stuff to go somewhere else to take more blood tests. So it's just kind of nice. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what we're going to do here to activate it and the different things you need to do. So first thing we're going to do is we need to activate this online. Alright, so let's go through what everything is in the kit here. We got the directions on what we need to do. Basically wash our hands, prick our finger, collect the blood, swab, drip the blood into the container, shake the container 5 to 7 times, mail it out. So not too complicated. We're going to be putting the blood into here. These are the things we use to prick the finger. I'm going to put it into this container, mail it out with this box. They give you a prepaid shipping label right here. Has all your information and all the information you send it out. Alcohol swabs and like a Band-Aid. So that's pretty much it. Let's go through and just do it. So first thing we're going to do is wash our hands, use soapy water, dry thoroughly, and make sure that you have warm water because it makes it easier to prick. Alright, so we got our blood. Still bleeding a bit, so now I need to gently invert. Results. The results took about 3 or 4 weeks to come in. They sent me an email, so I was able to log into the website, and the results are negative for Lyme disease, which is good. It has 2 tests that you can do here, and or 2 results, I should say, and this came back into the normal range, which is a good thing. And then the second thing also came back for negative as well. So I'm not going to go through exactly all that, but the good news is negative, so it makes me feel a lot better. And I think this is kind of a cool thing. And then there's also some different other tests you can do as well. You know, if you wanted to do at home, things like kidney tests and different things like that. So it's a pretty neat way to just check it at home and not have to make a doctor's appointment. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thanks. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up. Share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, you leave me a comment. I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.